crave. Wanna see him dead and in his grave. But if you're wise, take my advice. Hug him in the morning, kiss him late at night, and give him lots of loving, and make sure to treat him right. 'Cause a good man nowadays is hard to find. To find you always meet the other kind, and when you think he's your regular boy, you find him messing round in some other chick's stall, and then you rave, yes you crave. Wanna see him dead and in his grave. But if you're wise, take my advice. Lemon in the morning, kiss him late at night, and bump him over the head with a brick a few times, and make sure he'll treat you right. And then this good man of yours won't be so hard to find.